old phone. I have an old phone and it's broken. iPhone 6s Plus. I have an iPhone 7 Plus now. iPhone 6s Plus, but it's all broken. You want to see the colors move? It looks beautiful. Let's see. Whoa! You saw that? That was crazy. So if I put in a route to LA, Los Angeles, it will automatically do this to me.
Starting route to Los Angeles. Head southeast on Santa Barbara Lane, then turn left onto Saybrook Lane.
Yeah, so if I move it, it will automatically froze like this. And what it has been like this, weird, the second ago it used to be completely blurry and I couldn't even move it, but now it's all broken. And well, kind of, you can say it works, but I could do this to turn it off, and it kind of didn't really make a big difference. It made it big enough so I could physically move it around at least. I don't know why it looks so gray. You notice? It really, it just doesn't look right, you know? Wow. Are you kidding? I'll have to do this again to it. Oh. And it still doesn't work when I try to turn it off. Check this out. Oh wow, it worked again. Sorry, I'm just trying to. It worked again. Wow. And sorry, you'll kind of have to deal with the screen kind of. Well, you notice it looks different, you know? It changes the color like that, and it's just I have to put in a bag of rice again. That's what I did at the beginning, but now I have to. I don't even know what to do with this thing. I don't even want to trash it out because it's an iPhone 6s Plus. I was gonna have two phones, but since this phone's broken, I mean, I'm kind of sad actually. I can't use this thing for right now. I have to take it somewhere to fix.
Head southeast on Santa Barbara Lane, then turn left onto Saybrook Lane.
Wait, what? Come on, work. What's happening? It's changing color. Sorry. Is it kind of hard to see? Here, you can see it better here because it's not that bad. My camera's kind of messed up, but on iPhone 7 Plus, but it looks pretty accurate there, right? Sorry. This is the only way how I could see it clearly without like. Oh, you saw that? I was like, ugh, come on. Come already. Here, you can see it better from here. Let's do it so you can see it, the accurate part. Oh, when am I ever gonna have this thing fixed? You know, like, sorry about the camera. Lighting's bad here. Well, when am I ever gonna have this thing fixed? I mean, the only way how we can have this fixed is if God and Jesus actually help me with this, which I hope, or give me tips. I mean, I can't have this thing. It's bugging me. I need to put it somewhere. It can't be like this.
Head southeast on Santa Barbara Lane, then turn left onto Saybrook Lane.
Like, even if I play a game, it's still gonna do the same thing. I mean, I have to put the screen like this so I can actually see it better. Cause it's no, why? Ugh, come on. You guys give me some tips how to fix it and try to look up some stuff, because I'll be great if any of your parents actually know how to fix it or work at Apple, because that'll be great. Or you know some uncle or aunt or mom or your mom that works at Apple. That'll be great actually, because look, it just keeps breaking. You know I can't take this. I really can't take this anymore. I need to put this somewhere else. I need to put it in the bag of rice. I really need to let it go. Bye guys. I'm disappointed. Bye. But I'll have it fixed by the next video, I hope. Bye. It'll be forever. It will take for a long time, by the way, and it's not gonna be fun. You'll have to wait until our next video. See you later, guys.